Hi, I'm going to show you how I get a really quick and easy style. It's a roll and tuck updo. I've done it so many times when I've been in a pinch or I didn't know what to do with my hair and was a bit in a hurry to get to work. All you're going to need is a rat tail comb to part your hair, some pins, a little bit of edge control, a brush to just smooth my edges, and this French comb for the back. So to start, you're going to part your hair. I part it on this side. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I use a little bit of edge control. This is optional. And then I take my brush to smooth things out. So after everything has been smoothed out, then I start to roll and tuck. And it's really easy. So what you're gonna do is start with a little bit of hair and then just roll as I'm doing and tuck it in. And as I roll, I also take pieces on the side just to make sure everything is snug, not tight, but snug. So there you go. And because I don't want it to unravel, I start using my hairpin to secure what I've already rolled. Okay, so you're gonna keep rolling and tucking. I'm gonna use another pin right here. So that's enough for this side. So next I'll work on my other side. So I go ahead and I start to roll again and tucking. This will definitely take some practice to get it this way. So I use another pin to secure things. So once you have everything nice and tucked in, go ahead and take your French comb and put it right in the middle. That. And you might have to adjust it if you need to. So you use as many pins as you need, but this is pretty much the style. And I don't mind that my edges are not sleeked to the gods, but I think it looks pretty clean. So here's the style. It looks pretty nice, very easy to do and quick. I think you can actually do this in under 5 minutes. So yeah, there you have it. Quick, easy, and simple. Go ahead and press the like button, comment, share, come back and watch it again.